Kigali Convention Center mu mabara agize idarapo ry'igihugu cya Ethiopia. Iyi nyubako yubakanywe ikoranabuhanga rituma amabara ashobora guhindurwa bikajyanisha n'ikintu cyangwa se igikorwa runaka gihari. Kumurika kw'iyi nyubako mu mabara agize idarapo ry'igihugu cya Ethiopia byari mu rwego rwo kwishimira no guha ikaze Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia. Minisitiri w'Intebe Hailemariam Desalegn yagiriye uruzinduko rw'akazi rw'iminsi 3 mu Rwanda kuva ku itariki ya 27 kugeza ku itariki ya 29 Mata umwaka w'2017. Ku kibuga cy'indege mpuzamahanga cya Kigali, Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia na Madamu we Roman Tesfaye bakiriwe na Perezida wa Repubulika Paul Kagame na Madamu Jeannette Kagame. Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia na Madamu we bakiriwe mu buryo bw'icyubahiro kigenerwa abanyacyubahiro bari ku rwego rukuru rw'ubuyobozi. Nyuma yo kuririmba indirimbo zubahiriza ibihugu byombi, Minisitiri w'Intebe Hailemariam Desalegn yasuhuje ingabo z'igihugu ndetse n'abayobozi ku mpande zombi bari baje kumwakira. Itorero ry'igihugu rukerereza naryo ryari ryabukeye. Uruzinduko rwa Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia mu Rwanda rwari rugamije gukomeza no gushimangira umubano mwiza n'ubufatanye hagati y'ibihugu byombi. Ku munsi wa mbere, Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia yasuye umudugudu w'icyitegererezo wa Ntebe mu karere ka Rwamagana. Uyu mudugudu w'icyitegererezo uherereye mu kagari ka Kitazigurwa ugizwe n'amazu 66. Aya mazu yubatswe muri gahunda ya leta yo gutuza abaturage mu midugudu. Buri nzu ifite agaciro ka miliyoni 7.5 z'amafaranga y'u Rwanda. Minisitiri w'Intebe Hailemariam Desalegn yasobanuye ko gahunda yo gutura mu midugudu igamije gutuza abantu hamwe ku buryo bagezwaho ibikorwa remezo nk'amashanyarazi, amazi, amashuri, amavuriro n'ibindi mu buryo bworoshye. Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia yasuye ibikorwa by'ubukorikori bitandukanye bikorwa n'abagore batujwe muri uyu mudugudu. Kuboha uduseke, imitako n'ibindi bikorwa by'ubukorikori biri mu byinjiriza abagore batuye muri uyu mudugudu. Ubwiza bw'iyi ngofero yadozwe n'abagore batuye muri uyu mudugudu bwakuruye Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia ahita yigura ndetse aranayambara. Ku munsi wa kabiri, Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia yasuye umurenge wa Kageyo mu karere ka Gicumbi. Yasobanuye gahunda y'ubuhinzi bugamije kongera umusaruro no kurwanya isuri ku misozi miremire hifashishijwe amaterasi y'indinganire. Madamu wa Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia Roman Tesfaye nawe yasuye ibikorwa bigamije guteza imbere abagore mu karere ka Kayonza ndetse anasura ikigo cya Isange One Stop Center gifasha abahuye n'ihohoterwa rishingiye ku gitsina n'irikorerwa mu ngo. Mu gihe cy'uruzinduko rwa Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia mu Rwanda hasinywe amasezerano y'ubufatanye 11 hagati y'ibihugu byombi. Amasezerano yasinywe ajyanye n'ubufatanye mu butabera, itangazamakuru, siporo n'umuco, ubukerarugendo, uburezi, guteza imbere uburenganzira bw'umugore n'umwana ndetse n'ibindi. Mu kiganiro n'abanyamakuru, Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia yagaragaje bimwe mu byo Ethiopia yakwigira ku Rwanda, yongeraho ko n'u Rwanda rufite ibyo rwakwigira kuri Ethiopia.
The most important thing is to learn from the policy, prescription, what make Rwanda to be successful. And we have been learning this process, not now, but for the last several years. We have been coordinating, discussing on pertinent policy issues. You know that Ethiopia and Rwanda follows a developmental democratic path, and that has yielded a result in both countries. But the specificity of the situation in Rwanda and Ethiopia calls for a specific, intervention. The second thing is we have seen rural transformation in terms of rural housing and villagization program, where the lives of ordinary farmers has changed a lot. They are living in a neat room, neat houses, modern houses with all the services given. I think that model we have started in Ethiopia, but we can fast track by learning from the mistakes that Rwanda has made. We shouldn't repeat that mistake again in Ethiopia. We are always humble to learn and always learning. So I think what made Rwanda to be successful is they are not naive, they are not adamant, they are always keen to learn because there is a lot of things to be learned. I think this is how things are changing from time to time, and this is also a lesson that we can take from Rwanda.
Perezida Paul Kagame we yashimangiye ko u Rwanda rutazacogora kugirana umubano mwiza n'ibindi bihugu mu gihe cyose byagirira abanyarwanda akamaro. Yavuze ko abaturage b'ibihugu byombi, Ethiopia n'u Rwanda, bafite icyerekezo kimwe, gutera imbere no kugira ubuzima bwiza.
Learning is one thing, is a priority. And learning, when people have a vision of where they want to go, that is a priority. Then to have a strategy of how you want to be where you want to go is another priority. Number three, having had a vision and learning and having a strategy, you must do. There is doing things to get the results you want. And the aspirations for Rwanda and for Ethiopia and for other African countries are very similar. Can we grow our economies? Can we have shared growth? Can we have development? Can we have prosperity for our people? So then under those broad lines, you find almost everything has to be done and done at the same time. So whether this is an unfortunate situation we find ourselves in, so be it, because maybe that makes us want to do things to change the situations we find our people in. And that is what the people of Rwanda and the people of Ethiopia, I know, are very determined to achieve.
Mu gihe cy'uru ruzinduko hatewe indi ntambwe ikomeye hagati y'ibihugu byombi igamije gushimangira umubano bifitanye. Bwa mbere mu mateka hafunguwe ku mugaragaro ambasade ya Ethiopia i Kigali. Ibiro by'iyi ambasade biherereye i Gacuriro mu karere ka Gasabo. Ni umuhango wayobowe na Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia ari kumwe na Minisitiri w'Ububanyi n'Amahanga w'u Rwanda. Ubusanzwe abakeneraga kujya mu gihugu cya Ethiopia byabasabaga kubanza kujya muri Uganda gushaka urwandiko rw'inzira rubemerera kwinjira muri icyo gihugu.
We in Rwanda are delighted that Ethiopia is going to be more present in this country through its embassy, even though in reality, Rwanda has been all along representing Ethiopia in Rwanda. That is the story of Ethiopia and Rwanda.
Minisitiri w'intebe wa Ethiopia n'intumwa yari ayoboye bakiriwe ku meza na Perezida Paul Kagame. Muri uyu mugoroba wo gusabana no gusangira, abanyacyubahiro ku mpande zombi babanje guhana impano. Uretse gusangira, hanabaye umwanya wo kwidagadura babifashijwemo n'itorero ry'igihugu Rukerereza ndetse n'abahanzi biga amasomo ya muzika ku Nyundo. Kwidagadura byaje gufata indi ntera bivamo gucinya akadiho. Abanya-Ethiopia banze gutaha baterekanye uko indirimbo z'iwabo zibyinwa. Ku munsi wa nyuma w'uruzinduko rwe mu Rwanda, Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia yifatanyije n'Abanyarwanda mu gikorwa cy'umuganda usoza ukwezi kwa kane. Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia ari kumwe na Perezida wa Repubulika Paul Kagame bitabiriye umuganda wo kubaka isomero ndetse n'uburiro ku rwunge rw'amashuri rwa Kacyiru mu karere ka Gasabo. Isomero ryatangiye kubakwa rije risanga iry'ikigo gisanganywe ariko rikaba rito ugereranyije n'abanyeshuri bagera ku 2,000 bahiga. Ibikorwa byo kubaka iri somero bizarangira bitwaye miliyoni 65 z'amafaranga y'u Rwanda. Ibikorwa byo kubaka uburiro cyangwa se dining ibyo bizarangira bitwaye miliyoni 45 z'amafaranga y'u Rwanda. Umuganda usojwe, abanyacyubahiro ku mpande zombi bifatanyije n'abaturage mu gucinya akadiho. Nyuma y'umuganda, Minisitiri w'Intebe wa Ethiopia na madamu we bahise berekeza ku kibuga mpuzamahanga cy'indege cya Kigali. Ku kibuga cy'indege basezeweho na Perezida wa Repubulika Paul Kagame, Madamu Jeannette Kagame n'abandi bayobozi mu nzego z'igihugu.